Introduction and basic concept of headphone. A headphone is a device worn over the ears to listen to audio privately. It converts electrical audio signals into sound waves that we can hear. Headphones use magnetism as a key principle in their operation. The main components that rely on magnetism are the permanent magnet and the voice coil inside a speaker driver. When an electrical signal, which is audio signal, flows through the voice coil, it produces a magnetic field. This field interacts with the field of the permanent magnet, causing the diaphragm to vibrate. The vibrations produce sound wave, allowing us to hear the music or audio. Without magnets, this process would not happen. So, magnetism is crucial to the basic function of all headphones.
Did the music stop? Did my headphones die? Not now.
Hey, Amani, is it your headphone do not function?
Yeah, they just stopped suddenly.
I think we can know the solution by watching a video. But wait a minute, I need to find the video first. I find the video. So let's watch together.
How does headphone works? So first of all, role of the voice coil. A voice coil, which is a coil of wire, is attached to a thin diaphragm. It sits within the magnetic field produced by the permanent magnet. The second one is interaction of magnetism and electric current. When an audio signal, which is electric current, passes through the coil, it generates a temporary magnetic field. The field interacts with the permanent magnetic field, causing the coil to move back and forth rapidly. So for the third one is conversion to sound. As the voice coil moves, it pushes and pulls the diaphragm. This vibration creates a sound wave that travels to our ears. So magnetism enables the conversion of electric signal to sound. For the last one is contribution to functionality and efficiency. The strength and position of the magnets affect the sound's clarity, bass, and loudness. Without magnets, the headphones cannot produce any sound, making them a crucial component in headphone functionality.
Hi, welcome to my shop. May I help you?
My headphone did not function. Can you fix it?
Yes, of course. This is my patience. But give me a time so that I can figure out what is your problem. I have figured out why your headphone not function at all because of your magnet is broken. Without magnet, the diaphragm will not vibrate and no sound will be produced. So this is a magnet. Even it is a small and it is called a neodymium magnet. The magnet will produce very efficient sound to your headphones. So that it is very security magnet because of its designs. So you can fix it? Of course, I will take 2 days to fix your headphone.
Okay,
Thank you. Welcome.
We will come back after 2 days.
Okay.
If you crack open the enclosure of just about any headphone, you will find similarly designed component across the board. It's called the driver assembly, and this is where all the magic happens. Now the part that produces sound is this. It calls the diaphragm. Now the diaphragm is vibrated, or more correctly pulled back and forth at rapid succession, which pushes on the air surrounding the headphones. Now, as you remember from high school science class, disruption and displacements in air create sound wave. Sound waves are received by our ears and interpreted or perceived by our brain. To oversimplify things, this diaphragm, which is usually made out of plastic, in headphones produces the sound of music. When it vibrates, you might be thinking, but how does the diaphragm move? There's no motor on there. Now, if we remove the diaphragm from the assembly, some headphones and speakers have other parts, such as a spider, a pole piece. First, we have a magnet. Now the type of magnet and the strength vary depending on the headphone model, and that's not a really great importance. Secondly, we have what's called a voice coil. It's usually a threaded copper wire that adheres to the diaphragm. Now when you play music through your headphones, say through your iPhone, you are outputting a certain amount of current through the cable. So yes, from your headphone all the way to your ears, through the cable is running electricity back. Now that current goes directly into this concentrated voice coil. As a result, it creates an electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic fields are cool because they are only polarized to charge when electricity runs through them. So a varying current of the audio signal causes the voice coil to move up and down alongside, or rather inside, the magnet. And since it's attached to the diaphragm, it pulls the diaphragm back and forth. The diaphragm pushes the air back, and that creates sound wave. That's all we need.
2 days later.
Hi miss, have you done fixing my headphone?
Hi. Yes, of course. Yes, you can use it now.
Thank you miss.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Hope you enjoy it.
Bye.
The impact magnet for society have a three. The first one is magnets in headphone revolutionize the way we communicate and enjoy music. Second, they made personal, mobile and high quality audio possible. And the last one is, in the future, magnet technology could lead to even lighter, smarter and more energy efficient audio devices.